Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video. Install and let's get into it. In this video, the main thing we're going to be doing is React, Firebase, and we're going to be creating a shopping website. It might take an hour, 2, 3, 4 hours, but it's still worth it. Please subscribe, put a like button if you like this video at the end. And yeah, let's get into it. So if you watch the other videos on this channel, you know the main thing to do. What to do is go on the Visual Studio Code. It's the main thing that we normally do. So we should look at. So there should be a notification about at the top right, just up there. You'll see it. And yeah, just go on that and yeah, you'll find it. So let's make one here. Let's call it code and the select folder. So now we're gonna go and press new terminal and do npx create React app. No, that's not right. So the npx create React app /. It actually depends. If you done // and you done the code all capital when you're making it, then it might not work. Then it will not work. And also if you named a React, then it will not work. So it has to be all lowercase and can't be React. And yeah, so those are the main things that I just wanted to tell you. So you just don't go off doing nps create React app // when this is uppercase or React. So yeah. And you can go testing it out and then you'll see error and see what's actually the error and how to fix it. So you can go test that out and it's nearly finished. So I'm just going to pause and just come back when it's finished. So now what we're going to do is yarn start. If you don't know what yarn start is, it's like to run the website. That's what it really is. So yeah, just do that and now just do yarn start. So after you do that, it will show this. This is okay, it's not bad. So and I'll show this. So if you didn't actually understand what I did and you didn't actually know, just do yarn start. Press it, work perfectly. Okay, now what we're gonna do is yarn, do yarn start. Now we're gonna do is yarn add. This is to like install a dependency, like install Bootstrap, React Bootstrap, Material UI. You go to the other videos and it'll explain. So we're gonna start Bootstrap, React Bootstrap, Material UI/com, React icons, Firebase, React Router DOM, React Redux, and Redux. So these are the main things that we'll use. We're going to use Firestore. I'm going to just install that, and I'm just going to go through what Firebase is. So what Firebase is like somewhere to store database and host the websites. So personally I really like Firebase. So that's why I'm using Firebase right now and not like my SQL. I'm not actually really understood that yet to teach you, so I won't teach you it now, but I will soon on this channel. So so right now what we're gonna do is go to Firebase, type Firebase, and press get started and create new project. And what I'm gonna name this project, it might not work for you, is shopping my website. It is not the best name that you could think of. Press this and press continue. Then press continue again. And then you have to like configure Google Analytics list. So you have to say where you're at. So I'm just gonna say where I'm at. And yeah, it's gonna say that I'm at United Kingdom. And then press that. Press create project. Now it's gonna be just creating a project. And while this finishes installing, we're gonna go back here and type import what is it again? Yeah, Bootstrap dist css bootstrap.bin.css. What this will do is not much. It'll just refresh the page, change this, and yeah. So we come back here, press web, and name is shop. I'm not gonna host it yet because you can do it later, so yeah. Now we are gonna add a folder called config. We're gonna add it inside the src, and we're gonna add a file inside config called fbconfig. I might add a video about Firebase later on this channel because this is confusing. I perfectly understand. So yeah. Copy paste that. Import Firebase app. And I think we will do Firebase database. Okay, so we're not going to use these right now, for now. And yeah, so yeah. Now what we're going to do is, we're gonna change this to config and go down here and put Firebase dot initialize app into that, and then do config. So just check that you spelled initialize app properly, because if you don't, then it might go wrong. Now we're just going to do const db equals Firebase dot database S Firestore auth Firebase auth, particularly these. Then we're going to do storage. These are all stuff of Firebase. If you didn't actually understand what I'm doing, and add storage. Then with this last thing, kinda, we're gonna do Firebase Firestore. Do that, then do settings. Then it's going to export default Firebase. You see this export is very important. It has been here, and yes, then save that. And yeah, so that's all that we're gonna put for that. And yeah, now gonna move on to now. Because we've done that, let's just copy this because this might be important. I didn't add this. And yeah, and then we press continue to console. Now go to here, and it should show some options of what to do, like yes, here. So now it's gonna show some here, and what we do is gonna add authentication. I'm gonna add this. I'm not gonna add this one, it's not really necessary. We can always add it in later, so yeah. We're also gonna add a Firestore. Now creating a database is really important. So don't make any mistakes. It might take a while for it to provision. So you have to be patient. So I'm just gonna come back when it's finished. So on the Firebase, it's gonna show all these. Here's the rules. Here's how much we've used it. We've not used that, or we just started. Now we're not gonna add that. We're not gonna host it yet. So right now, all we're gonna do is what should we do? So all we're gonna do right now is, so we finished with the Firebase stuff. That's done. Now you just need to get away from that. We finished with that, so we can get away from it. Now we're gonna add the store with actions, reducers, and this is how we're gonna put stuff inside this Firebase to make it actually work. So instead, so we're going to auth actions.js and auth reducers.js. So here, so now we're also gonna add a cart actions. So stuff that goes inside the cart is gonna go inside Firebase. And what else? That's all. We don't need any more. So now the main thing to do is add components, and the components like the home page. So we're going to add a navbar. We're going to add a navbar, a footer, a home page, sign up page, sign in page, get in touch page, like if they can send you messages with email. And what else? What else is necessary for our thing? And yeah, so we're gonna just carry on later. So this is all we've done for now. We're not finished yet. So this is all we've done. We've not finished. And yes, so the next thing we're gonna do now is, let's see, what should we do next? Let's actually start adding stuff inside these blank chairs folders. Let's start now. So now I'm just gonna edit. What should we do go first? So we're gonna do navbar.js and navbar.js. No, home.js. Sorry. Now go to extensions. It's all here and type ES7 React Vitals GraphQL React Native snippets and install this. The reason why I want you to install it is because that helps you do this. And this is an easier way to do React for me personally. So we're going to do RSC for here. It changes the header. And save them both and just say hi and go to here. Import switch. Import from React Router DOM. Switch. Root. Browser router as browser. And that's all. So now we're going to delete all that and type in router navbar the header, and so this will connect to here. Now the switch. Switch root. So this is going to be path slash component home and do exact. So like that, what we're going to do for here is get in touch and sign up and sign in. So for sign in, we do sign in, sign in.js, sign up.js, rcc, get in touch.js, rcc, footer.js, as you guessed, rcc. It's not actually going to be rcc for the whole thing. We're just going to do rcc for now. So under here, add footer. Then add get in touch. Then add sign up. Then add sign in. Okay, so after that, we can add a default. Like if what they search up doesn't actually make sense, we'll do default .js rcc, and just like ain't know what you're talking about. You can type whatever you want in here, like whatever, and save it. This is not going to be a specific path. It's going to be like that, and it's going to be default. And yeah, so we don't need this, but let's just keep it. Excuse me. So this is what's going to happen. Oh yes, we need to actually make, so if you go to sign up, yeah, it's not going to really change that much, but it still works. Okay, now what we're going to do is change this its name to shopping website. Shopping website. Save it. And so this bit is going to change. And now I have to go to a website to make a logo. So it's called Canva. Login. Create design. Logo. So let's just put it like it. Yeah, that's good. Shopping website. And then shopping website for pros. Okay, so I'm gonna add for pros. Something like that. So now I'm gonna just download it. Now we should just open file. And we should copy it. And we should paste it here. Actually, no, that's not how you do it. We should save as. go here and where was it again? Yeah, code and save it here. And so then it's going to show up here. And then paste it here. And just to be safe, just to be safe, we're just gonna paste it here too. Just gonna just to make sure. I'm gonna put it here too. Okay. So delete that. We don't need Canva anymore. We don't need that. Now I'm gonna be working on the nav bar. Turn on the nav bar, so close everything else. That's not the nav bar. On the nav bar, we're gonna do import nav bar nav from React Bootstrap. What we're going to do is navbar, and then after that we're going to do, we are going to do, oh yeah, so now what we're going to do is, right here, we're going to do BG secondary variant doc expand large, or not expand large, just expand LG, and the class name gray and darken. So mainly what I want to say is that this is gonna be great. Okay, so now navbar brand, and then ref slash, and we're going to do shopping website. Now we're going to do navbar toggle I'm going to do class name center area controls basic nav bar nav. Basic nav bar nav, and then after that I'm going to do BG doc after that we are going to do variant doc. So now we're going to do navbar collapse. Nav class name, class name, justified, content, center, right, high, did high degree, darken, 3, short, and finally active key and slash. And it's not final because we're not done right just yet. Not done just yet. We're not done. Nav dot item. The nav dot link. So we're going to event key and left that, and then we're going to name it. No, you just do let's just say get in touch. Yes, get in touch. Then copy this. And then do sign up. Sign up and then sign in. And then save that. Oh no, do get in touch. Then for this to sign up. And for this to sign in. So now let's save that and see what it shows us. So let's go here, and so this is what it shows us. So we go here, we'll do that. Okay, this is good. In a way, it's very good. Okay, so interesting. So you can change the color of this. I'm just what now? That's not my biggest problem. My thing that's not really that important is this. So I just wanted to do style, margin left, 100 pixels. It might not work, my idea. Yeah, it works. So I'm gonna do 600 pixels, 700 pixels, 900 pixels. No, 800 pixels. Okay, so that's better. So now it's really separate. I'm not sure if it actually looks that good. No, it doesn't look that good. So, okay. So now what to do is okay, so paste that here. This is definitely not gonna work because just watch. It's too far away from each other. They need to be closer together. See, so what I'm going to do is just separate them by 50 pixels. Don't want it to be too big. After all, they're on the same navbar. And then after that, I'm gonna put it back here. I'll put 600. Want it to be actually this looks good, but on the phone it won't be it won't be good for people on the phone. So comment that out because it is good. And yeah, so on these it's like that, and that's okay for now. So we finished with the navbar for now, and so by navbar now I have to go to design. Look, I'm gonna go to the home page. That's actually quite important because they can't just say hi. I am actually gonna decorate it, not that much, but I am gonna add a card. If you don't know what a card is, you should really use Bootstrap because cards are really cool for me. So now I'm gonna use a card.header. Card.header is like the header, and card.body. I'm not even sure if there's a card.footer. I have not used it. It is. Don't know how. So we're gonna use all these sections. This is like welcome to the greatest shop online. Okay, now I'm going to start. I'm going to do class name text uppercase. I'm going to do style dot 400 pixels with with 400 pixels. Welcome to the great shop. Just a bit bigger. 800 pixels, maybe that's enough. Okay, yeah. Let's do margin left. Just a little bit, not too much. 400 pixels. That's too much. That's way too much. Actually, maybe that's just okay. Maybe okay. Just a little less. 200 pixels, maybe. No, still not good enough. Maybe probably 300 pixels. Maybe that's good. Not good enough. 250. That has to be good. That's it's not the best, but don't have all day, I guess. I'm not the best at styling. Okay, so now paste all that. You don't have to do that. All I have to do is margin bottom, and do 400 pixels. Maybe the margin bottom doesn't really work that well, but this will probably work. So I just want to see something. You just want to see. Okay, whatever. Okay, few shows. Okay, welcome to Great Shop Online. What is that? Oh yeah, home. And then it's like this, like a video. So just get a random. So go on YouTube. No specific video. Go on any video you like. Get the video and just random one. Just I'll pick one randomly. Okay. And then get embed. But some don't allow you to embed it, but this one does. That's good. And so yeah, and then paste it here. Say this shop has everything you need. Toys, movies, gadgets, all electronics, electronics, all electronics, okay, and then say if you really need to go to and then a link to the get in touch, and then they get in touch page. Also, if you save that, what's gonna happen? So delete that now. Yeah, so excuse me, so to style and do text decoration none. I know. Do align item center. Justify content center. And yeah, so maybe justify content center wasn't necessary, but we really need to align all the items in the center. Okay, yeah, maybe it wasn't necessary. Let's put it back. Okay, maybe it was really necessary. Just never noticed at all. I never realized. And let's just copy that. And just no, let's just type. So this style with 800 pixels. Copy that. Save it and then paste it here. So this is not working and nothing's instant anymore. So I'm just gonna change on. It didn't really look that good with this. It doesn't really look that good, but it's better than nothing. So maybe I can fix it. HR maybe? No, HR is not that useful for me anymore. I'm not sure. I've never released the HR properly. Okay, maybe if I delete this. Bye-bye. No. What just happened? Okay, so to justify context something wasn't that useful at all. I didn't figure that out before, but I knew. So this is no, why didn't it work? That doesn't matter. So now I'm just gonna add a star the background and just star the background. Image URL. I just get a GIF. One that you like. Also, I don't like it. Just like one that you really love. And so, okay. Cartoon GIF. Ah. You're going to copy this link and put it here. So back here, and if I'm right, this should work. And if it doesn't work, we'll have to add a home.css. And if you don't know what I'm doing, go to other videos that one of the other CSS videos because that's really helpful. So let's do a background. Is there a body? No, just like body kinda, and do background image, URL, paste, background position, auto, 100%. I don't know. Go background position. Let's just not use background position. Background, repeat, no repeat. Background size auto, no cover. And background position 100%. Okay, so now first cursor work. Okay, so to class name, but body kinda, and then import the home.css. Okay, so it's meant to work, I guess, but I guess it's just not working. Refresh. Oh, these Bing pictures not working. I'm just gonna search up on Google. Okay, cartoon GIF. Cartoon GIF. Let's see which one I would like. Do you really like because they're new? Yeah, I really like this one. Okay, hope this works and yes, it worked. So it kind of worked. Now all I have to do is get this and kind of delete some of these, and then it'll properly work, I guess. Now it's wrong. So that's a bit too big. Is it 200 pixels? No, it's a bit too small. 500 pixels. Okay. 700 pixels. No, not good. 600 pixels. No, not good. 550 pixels. No, 460. No, just a bit. 555. No, 554. Okay, so 554. Do 1 BR maybe? Maybe 2 actually. And yeah, that's good. That's a good homepage. So yeah, now next we're just gonna do the get in touch page. So we get to get in touch page. Yeah, this is good. I can mind for this for a while. So guys, that's the end of part 1 and that's the end of part 1 of this video. Please subscribe and like button. See you in the next video.